is something that's extremely rare. 1942 Chevy. Two of these were made, and once the war started, that was that. There's the victory sign over the plate. We don't always get to look under lowriders, but this shows us the incredible attention to detail you find all the way back. This is a 47 Chevy. There we go. There's something else you don't get to see very much is a car in the process of restoration and/or modification. Not sure what it is, but you can see the process of doing the body work, smooth everything out, as opposed to where they have not smoothed things out. And then there's the trunk lid for us. Okay, this is a Chevy. You can see it down here. Another look at the interior. So if you're planning a project, this is the kind of thing you'll have to do. And then there's the motor right in front here. Close with that.